guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change the speak screen language on your iPhone and iPad. The speak screen feature on iPhone and iPad is a powerful accessibility tool that can read the text displayed on your screen aloud, making it pretty useful for reading articles, emails, documents, and web pages hands-free. It is especially helpful for multitasking, language learners, and users who prefer listening over reading. If your device is reading text in the wrong language or pronunciation sounds inaccurate, changing the speak screen language can greatly improve the experience. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to choose the accessibility option. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose read and speak option. Then you have to head over to the voices section and tap on default language. And finally, you have to choose the preferred option from a number of languages and you're all set. Changing the speak screen language on iOS and iPadOS is a simple but effective way to improve pronunciation, clarity, and overall listening quality. So whether you need it for multilingual content, language practice, or better accessibility support, selecting the correct language helps the feature work much more naturally. Once updated, the speak screen feature becomes more accurate and enjoyable for everyday use. With just a few settings changes, you can customize your device to read text exactly the way you need it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful accessibility feature, make the most of it to enhance the speak screen experience on your device, and I'll catch you up in the next one.